These are the ingredients.
They will also be in the description box below.
First, weigh out the margarine into a large bowl.
Then weigh out the sugar.
Mix these together with a machine or by hand.
When it is all combined, stop mixing.
Crack an egg into a small bowl and add the vanilla extract.
Mix this with the ingredients in the large bowl.
Weigh out the flour into the large bowl.
Mix this all together. Until a dough is formed.
Chill the dough for half an hour.
Roll the dough out onto a floured surface.
Cut the dough out to the shape that you want your cookies to be.
Place the raw cookies on a baking tray.
The biscuits will harden as they cool.
This is the final product. Enjoy baking!